All right, and welcome. My name is Chris Palmer. If you're brand new here, welcome to Chris Palmer SEO. In today's video, this will be a relatively advanced video on SEO testing. My partners and I have had a lot of fun with this particular test, and I wanted to go ahead and show you exactly what we've been working on. And what we're trying to do is figure out the relationships between the algorithm, also the E-A-T guidelines. Basically, could we, for lack of better words, fake the authority? Could we fake the expertise? Could we fake the trust? Is there a way to rank higher by building and executing persona that is an expert, that only interacts with experts, only talks about his expertise? We even went as far of having a business and building a site for this expert. We're really building a foundation, and so far we are seeing some very positive results. So what I would like to cover and what I want to share with you will not be, the sites, all right? I will not show the sites that we're working on. This is ongoing, and it is starting to show a positive result, okay? This is next level, all right? To me, to succeed in the future, a hard industry, you really need to go to the next level, okay? So what I'll do is I won't show you the sites. I'm not going to show you the product, right? I'm not going to show you anything that could potentially lead you to any of my tests that I'm running with. There's 3 of us. I mean, this has been an ongoing test. This has been an expensive test. This has been a very time-intensive test. This is our baby. And we're hoping that when this works better, because we've have 1 post so far, and we are seeing a very positive result, we're going to start looking into scaling this. But I want to share the idea, because when 4 years or 2 years or 3 years pass, I want to be able to point and say that, hey, remember when I was speaking on this? I told you that this is what SEO was coming to. Chris Palmer SEO was doing it first, and now that's the method. The idea, is what I'm going to share with you. So this could be theory, this is testing, this could be whatever you want, but this is where SEO will be going, and I cannot wait to share it with you. So let's just get into exactly some of the setup that we did. This is intensive, so get a coffee. We went completely insane, to say the least. So I want to lay out some of the foundation. So we know within the guidelines, all right, and I brought this up to refer back, the high E-A-T, authority, expertise, trust, sorry, it needs to be, we had the understanding that you need to be able to go and look and see this plastered throughout the internet, because at the end of the day, we're not dealing with geniuses, it's an algorithm, okay? So let me just lay out a little bit of this for you. I mean, we started with this right here. So we have a location, okay? So this location, it's really great. A friend of mine, his name's Eric M. I won't say his last name. Eric M. lives in a relatively large building, but here's what's great. In the side of the building, they have a facility with a ramp. It looks perfect. It is where he lives, but he lives on the other side. But in any case, the one part is built into businesses, and the other part is built into these business slash condo slash living facilities. They're like economy. In any case, this is a prime location, and he's been there for about 3 years now, numerous years, and he's friends with everybody. So the one piece, we decided to see if we could get a GMB, if we could register one of these addresses as a business. So that was really the first step. It took roughly, I think, 3 weeks, but we got the postcard in the mail. And so what's really great about this is after the weeks passed by, now we have a business location. Okay, so we were able to form a business location, and we got the GMB. All right, now we got the postcard. The GMB is verified. We have a business, and it's a medical type business. It's a medical type business. Okay, that's all I want to say. All right. So it is a medical type business. It's in that, not medical doctor or anything like that, but it's medical based. Okay, so now we have a verified business, which is absolutely phenomenal. So we started really implementing our strategy. Before we went ahead and did that, though, as you know, I mean, we threw together got a wonderful template. We built an amazing website on an expired domain that was already receiving, it wasn't expired, it was an auction. It was already receiving some traffic. Not only that, it was kind of in our niche. And really, we just went ahead and built on that and transformed it into our professionals website. So we built our website. And remember, this is a process, plus we all do our own work. He has clients. I mean, we all do our own work. I mean, this is pieced together. It took us a lot longer than we wanted because we have a lot of time. So really, the next piece after that is we had our website. We built about a 5-page website. No, there's 7 pages. There's a 7-page website. It's a 7-page website with a blog that is siloed. And for the past 4 months, we have been writing into this blog. So, and we've been writing on only the topics that are related to the business. Now, along with that, for building our blog, getting the website, verifying the GMB in our space, we went ahead and then we started, because we figured, what is a real business? You know, what we really need is we need some reviews. So we started funneling in reviews, but just recently, I would say about a month ago, we noticed that a lot of the reviews were just falling off. So it was becoming increasingly expensive and troublesome. But we did end up having, I'm not going to give you an exact number because then people could go and search, and this has been a lot of work for us. We'll say there's 50 or less that have stuck, but more than 10, okay? So, I mean, this is building credibility to the business, but anyone that's in the location will know that there's not really any, you know, it looks like a business from the outside, but everybody knows that this location is not a business. So in any case, so far we've built our site, we've got it verified, right? We've built our content. I mean, we've really gone through the whole painstaking, everything that a normal business or a real business would do. And this is all based around one person, one name, one entity, okay? Now, in the meantime, let me go ahead and fix this real quick. So in the meantime, as we were building and growing all of our reviews, we had a lot of happy reviews. You know, we threw in a couple sad reviews, but this is all going to our property. So in the meantime, while all of this is going on, we have our GMB, we're getting our business. I mean, we're really getting excited here. What we all did is we all took our own part and we started building out profiles. We started building out Facebook, right? We started building out Twitter. We started building out every social profile that there is. We're connecting all of these profiles together, pointing them back to the site. I mean, everyone that's imaginable. Then we're building, on top of that, Web 2.0s. We're taking the content, we're putting on there, we're blasting his name everywhere we possibly can. As much information that we could get out into the interwebs about this business, about this person, about this entity, that is what we have been building. That has been our goal. Every social profile, YouTube videos, I mean, every single thing imaginable that you can think of to build a brand, a name, a business, a person. That is the level that we have taken it to. We have the website, the GMB, we're getting the reviews, every piece as it was a real business, because it is. It's a real entity that we are building. It's digital, it's in the air. But as far as the world, as far as everything is concerned, this is what we are building. This is what we have built. So now we have a person that is a real entity, a real business, a real person. Everything is online. Everything is coming into this. All types of real signals. There's tons and tons and tons and tons of signals. Now, with that being said, we have been building only one. If we knew what we knew now, we would have built out even more personas, tons more. It would have cost us significantly more time, which is money, and money is time, and I'm fully aware of that. But the potential payout, if it keeps going the way that I see it, is going to be astronomical. So with that being said, as we have built out this entity, this business, this person, in the meantime, another really close friend of myself and Eric's, a very close friend, he actually has a wonderful product, numerous products, a site that is mostly knowledge-based, it is medical-based, it's within our realm. Now, our great friend over here has a website. This is a website that has been around for a very long time. Numerous products, ranks very well. This gentleman knows what he's doing in his space. Now, he has been getting some traffic, but recently he has been noticing a decline. Now, we have this entity. We had a whole nother idea when we first started this, but we think that we can take the two and put them together. So we have our person that we have built, our entity over here, right? Social, everything, all of the pieces. We have our e-commerce store here. We have take the expertise of this person and started writing on this e-commerce / blog over here. Now, we have only published one page, but with that being said, this page with our persona on it has ranked above all of the other pages that have recently or in the past been published on this particular site. With that being said, we have continued building our entity that is here, okay? our medical professional, our professional in the medical field. I mean, this guy is very well respected, okay? He only interacts with other experts in the field. He only publishes content about his expertise. He only talks about the expertise that he is. He has his own website that is local, that's getting reviews, that he's trusted. He is authoritative. He is an expert. Okay? He is all of that and a bag of chips. Now we have this site over here, and we are noticing some push up within the posts, but our long game here, right? And you can use this for yourself. What I'm getting at, this test that we're running is, can we beat the algorithm by building personas and entities within the web? Can we benefit from this expertise and this authority that we have manufactured to sell quality products, because the algorithm is pushing down people that are less authoritative, that have less expertise? But some fields that are getting the pushback may have products that are very helpful that we want to release and help the world with, but we are getting smushed down by the powers to be. Now, we want to ultimately, at the end of the day, we want to have a cross-promoted play here, right? We want to have our product. We want to turn this into a only one product site, right? Our man over here, which is going to be very difficult. If we have to, we'll launch it from there, right? Basically, we'll have him take care of all that, because we're SEOs. He does that, but we're a tight-knit group. We'll launch it perhaps through his network as a product. So it would be the expert with him as a group, because he has a huge list. And we'll launch the product, and then to get the rankings and the increase, it will be promoted and cross-promoted from our local expert. So we're hoping in the long run, as we build our personas, if this continues to be effective, as we build our personas and our expertise and our trustworthiness, we are hoping that we could take our entities that are strictly product-based and put our expertise and our trustworthiness and our authoritativeness behind those products to increase our rankings. If Dr. Oz or Oprah Winfrey is to release and promote a product, you see an increase, but not only within the realms of the world, but also digitally, because there's a push. And we only want that little bit of a push to break first page for products that could potentially make us millions of dollars. So this is the idea. This is the SEO test that we are running. I wanted to share beating and dominating the algorithm by creating and manicuring and flourishing personas that only are there to build authority and trust and have expertise in a particular field. Now, this may be a little bit advanced for some. This may be a little bit too far out or too far out of your budget or your realm, but I wanted to place the idea and I wanted to put this out. I wanted to show everybody that we got here first. It's been an absolute pleasure speaking with you, sharing this awesome SEO test with you, and I hope to see you in the next video.